Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, we have to import our footage into After Effects. You can download the full project including the light leaks, from the link in the description. The parallax effect is a technique where background and foreground images move by the camera at different speeds, creating an illusion of depth in a 2D scene. Let's see how we can achieve this in After Effects, without any third-party plugin. Create a new composition and name it Parallax Animation. I'm using the full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 7 seconds long. Bring your image into your new composition. Then go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for Optics Compensation. Apply it to your image layer, and let's adjust its settings. Click on this icon, and place the cursor on the point of interest of your image. This will represent the foreground image, which will move slower. Select the Reverse Lens Distortion box. Then create a keyframe on the field of view. Move to the last frame, and change this value to 70. You can test it first, and find the perfect value for your image, but never overreact with it, if you want to get a realistic result. This is how your image animation should look like. As you can see, the parallax effect gives a good depth to our image. In lots of cases, you can give even more depth of field to your still images using light leaks and particles overlays. So, let's bring the light leaks file into our parallax composition, and change its blending mode to soft light. If it's too intense for your image, click T on your keyboard to open the opacity, and bring its value down, as much as you need. Let's check our final result. Wow, looks great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to animate a still photo with parallax effect in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, about interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.